Hi, and Assalamualaikum. It's me, Tina Amir. So for today, I have announcement to make. But before that, my e-flashcards and ebooks are out now. So if you haven't get them yet, please do so, especially if you're looking for material to study efficiently. So for e-flashcard, it's really not like the same one like you find in the bookstore. Thank you to Mr. Brandon for giving me such a beautiful review. So he said, I would highly recommend this to anyone learning Malay. I've been looking for something like this for the past 1 year. I've been learning vocab words on my own and know many hundreds of words, and I just recently started using sentences more and more to learn from. I wanted to find sentences for my 1000 words vocab list, and this is perfect for it. Thank you. You get the words and sentences. I'm very grateful that you created a resource like this. Very helpful. I've been using it for the past few days, and I can tell it will be very helpful in my learning moving forward. Thank you so much, Mr. Brandon. That's very kind of you. I really appreciate this review. So for those of you who wanted to buy, don't hesitate to email me. Okay, for the announcement, I will have beginner online class for you to learn Malay. This is the group class. So I will give you promo price, 10 ringgit only for 2 hours class tomorrow, Saturday, 30 July at 9 p.m. until 11 p.m. Malaysian time. So if you're interested, do sign up for it. So for the payment, you can pay through local bank account, which I will give you if you email me. And also I will give you PayPal, which you can pay with USD, and also you can pay also with Malaysian ringgit using PayPal, whatever suit you. So after you make the payment, I will send you the link of my Zoom class. And if you already have Zoom application, and that is great, just continue. We're going to meet there. But if you haven't yet, that link will help you to download the application. And from there, you can join my Zoom class. So that's the announcement. So see you Saturday, 30 July, 2 hours of class at 9 p.m. until 11 p.m. Malaysian times. Beginner online class, 10 ringgit only, promo price. Email me to sign up. See you there. Thank you so much. Bye.